how to set nickname in the Instagram chat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can set the nickname in the chat from the other person. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your Play Store or the App Store that you are using, and here you have to simply search for the Instagram. Now once you're in here, you have to click on it and update your Instagram. And after updating your Instagram, you just have to go back and open up your Instagram application. Now once you are in here, you have to go on the DM. Now once you are in here, you have to go on the group. Now what you have to do is simply click on this icon, and as you can see that here is the option of the change name and the photo. You just have to click on it, and from here you just have to go on the change name, and you have to set the new name that you want to add in your group, and after that you have to simply click on the done. Now that's how you can change the name in the group, but if you want to change in the personal DM, if you click on it and if you go on the chat section, now as you can see that there is no option to change the nickname of the other person, so you are not able to set the nickname in the Instagram chat from the other person. You are just able to set in the group. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.